Welcome back to Alchemy with Xerophayze. This is AI Signal, the quick, no-hype look at what changed in AI and why it matters to people actually using it. Today, Meta says a new model can run on a personal computer, a proposed flight recorder for AI agents, and an open science initiative that is still being built. First up, Meta announced Muse Glimmer. The Associated Press reports that Meta describes it as an open-source model that can run on a personal computer. Meta also says it plans to provide developers a way to access its more powerful MuseSpark 1.2 model. That local part is the practical signal. When a model genuinely runs on your own machine, you can experiment without sending every prompt and file to a browser service. That can matter for prototypes, private notes, and small tools. But do not confuse an announcement with a finished setup guide. Check the license, hardware requirements, model files, and access terms before you build around it. And Meta has not said that MuseSpark 1.2 is an open-weight download today. Story 2 is less flashy, but more important if your agent can touch real tools. A group called the Open Secure AI Alliance published a proposal called SAFE. Think of it as a flight recorder idea for agent incidents. When something goes wrong, preserve the prompts, traces, tools, identities, permissions, and credential references needed to understand what happened. This is not a new law. It is not a certification. It is a proposed voluntary reporting framework. Still, the advice is useful right now. If an agent can browse, run code, or call an API, give it the smallest permissions it needs and keep logs you can actually inspect. A tool that can act without a record is much harder to debug or contain when it surprises you. Finally, a science signal. The Department of Energy and Argonne National Laboratory have opened the Genesis Open Models Initiative with RCAI. The portal invites contributions and says a first open-weight model, Genesis Science 1, will be developed for scientific work across fields including energy, materials, climate, biology, and physics. The key word is will. This is an open science effort and contribution portal, not a ready local download and not a replacement for scientists or laboratory validation. But it is worth watching because open models can make methods easier to inspect and reproduce. That is a healthier direction than treating scientific AI as a black box with a marketing page. That is the signal for today. Local control is useful when the details check out. Agents need audit trails before they get more access, and open science only counts when people can test the work. Sources and caveats are in the description. If these quick updates help you separate the useful from the noisy, like the video, subscribe, and stay in the signal.